Let's see if this thing works. I got this charger. Let's see. It's pretty cool. It has these little LEDs on the front. Let you know how charged it is. I put this controller on earlier, but I believe it's already charged. You see the light flashing, but then it doesn't flash anymore. But then when you put this one on, the light changes from green to red, letting you know it needs a little bit of charge. So I mean, it's a pretty cool alternative to the Sony branded one, in case you're looking for a different charger out there. But kind of like this one because it has these little pegs right here, so it holds it in a little bit better. I don't know. Ultimately, it comes down to which one charges faster. Unfortunately, this is the only one I have, so I can't compare them. But pretty cool, especially for a few bucks less. But
au top. Bon, ma manette est déjà chargée, donc... Mais voilà.